When the sky turned an ominous shade of green and the sirens wailed like a banshee, I found myself clutching my grandmother's quilt in the dim safety of our basement, my heart pounding like a drum. The tornado's roar was deafening, and as it passed, an eerie silence settled over the town. Emerging into a world transformed, I saw neighbors, some I barely knew, already clearing debris, their faces etched with determination and dusty resolve. It was in the chaos that followed, as we shared stories, meals, and laughter amidst the wreckage, that I truly understood: community is not defined by buildings or streets, but by the resilient spirit that unites us. We rebuilt not just homes, but connections, finding strength in unity and hope in every small act of kindness. Through this adversity, I learned that when everything else is stripped away, it is the spirit of togetherness that lifts us from tragedy to triumph, reminding us that we are never alone.